Hello everybody, my name is Corey Ledet Zydeco from the band Corey Ledet Zydeco and Black Magic. Our roof was in bad shape, and so I called around and got a couple bids. What made me choose Pelican was they was right on it. I mean, the call went out to them, and like pretty much that same day they came out, they looked at everything, they gave me the best prices, like I said, in town out of all the quotes that I got. And the customer service is just A1, number one. You can't beat it. You just can't go wrong with Pelican Roofing.